In the vast, endless darkness of space, beyond the stars we know, where light barely reaches and silence rules supreme, NASA has made a discovery so astonishing, so mysterious, that it could change everything we thought about the universe and our place within it. A breakthrough that promises to bring us closer than ever before to finding alien worlds, planets that might harbor life, or perhaps even something far stranger. The James Webb Space Telescope, NASA's most powerful eye in the sky, has been scanning the heavens with unparalleled precision, peering into star systems light years away. And what it has revealed is beyond what anyone expected. A series of strange, distant worlds that defy all previous understanding. Worlds that show signs of atmospheres, climates, and even chemical signatures that hint at the possibility of life or conditions suitable for life. Scientists and engineers at NASA had long dreamed of this moment, but as the images and data streamed back from Webb, the excitement quickly mixed with awe and a deep, unsettling mystery. Some of these newly discovered alien worlds seem almost too perfect, orbiting their stars at just the right distance for liquid water to exist, their skies showing traces of gases that on Earth are linked to living organisms. Yet others revealed surprises no one predicted: planets with bizarre atmospheric compositions, strange weather patterns that challenge existing theories, and features that suggest a dynamic, changing surfaces, as if these alien worlds had stories waiting to be told. The discovery raised countless questions. How did these planets form? What forces shaped their evolution? And most importantly, is there life there? Or is the universe playing a deeper, more intricate game, one in which life and intelligence are far more common, or perhaps far more hidden than we ever imagined? NASA's team found themselves staring at spectrographs showing chemical fingerprints of methane, oxygen, and even mysterious compounds that did not match any known natural processes. The patterns were complex, almost like coded messages written in the very air of these worlds. Messages waiting to be deciphered by human minds brave enough to confront the unknown. As the breakthrough unfolded, it became clear that the traditional methods of searching for life, looking only for Earth-like conditions, might be too narrow, too limited. These alien worlds challenged every assumption, demanding new theories and new technology to understand their nature. NASA's breakthrough wasn't just in finding these planets. It was in developing the tools to study their atmospheres and surfaces in unprecedented detail, opening a new window into the universe's secrets. But with every answer came new mysteries. The data suggested that some planets might have hidden oceans beneath icy crusts, warmed by internal heat sources, while others might have clouds of unknown chemicals that glowed faintly in the darkness, and a few even showed signs of magnetic fields strong enough to protect potential life from deadly cosmic radiation. These revelations forced scientists to reconsider where and how life might exist, breaking free from Earth-centric ideas and embracing a cosmic diversity that was as thrilling as it was daunting. Throughout the process, NASA's researchers worked tirelessly, combining observations with computer models, trying to predict what these strange worlds might be like up close, imagining alien skies, oceans, and landscapes unlike anything on Earth. The images sent back by the James Webb Telescope painted scenes of swirling storms, vast deserts of ice or dust, and glowing skies filled with unfamiliar colors, each world a new chapter in the story of the cosmos. But lurking beneath this excitement was a shadow of uncertainty. The signals and data were faint, often ambiguous, and sometimes contradictory. Were these signs truly evidence of life or just natural processes we didn't yet understand? Could instruments be misinterpreting cosmic noise as something more? NASA's team grappled with these questions in daily meetings filled with debate and wonder. Meanwhile, outside the scientific community, the discovery ignited the imagination of the world. Speculation soared. What if these alien worlds were inhabited? What if advanced civilizations waited out there in the cosmic night, watching us back? The breakthrough sparked hopes, fears, and dreams, but also a renewed sense of urgency to explore, to learn, and to prepare for the answers that might come. Governments and space agencies worldwide began to coordinate plans for follow-up missions, aiming to send probes or even crewed missions to nearby star systems in the coming decades, hoping to validate and expand upon NASA's groundbreaking findings. Yet, even as preparations moved forward, the universe kept its secrets close, teasing humanity with faint signals and fleeting glimpses, reminding us that space is vast, complex, and often stranger than fiction. The journey to understand these alien worlds is only just beginning, and with each new discovery, NASA's breakthrough lights a path into the cosmic unknown, a path full of wonder, suspense, and the eternal mystery of life beyond Earth. And as the James Webb Telescope continues to scan the skies, each pixel of data brings us closer to the ultimate question: are we alone? Or is the universe teeming with unseen worlds and unknown life forms, waiting patiently for us to find them? The question echoed in the minds of scientists, dreamers, and every person who looked up at the night sky with wonder. For centuries, humanity had gazed at the stars, wondering if somewhere beyond our small blue planet, life might exist. Now, thanks to NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, that distant hope was turning into something real, something tangible. But the deeper the telescope looked, the more complicated and mysterious the picture became. The universe seemed less like a cold, empty place and more like a vast, living web of secrets, hiding stories that spanned billions of years. Stories written in light and shadow, in chemical whispers, and in patterns so complex they defied simple explanation. NASA's breakthrough had opened a new chapter in the search for life, one filled with promise, but also with uncertainty and questions that stretched far beyond the limits of current science. As researchers dove into the mountains of data, they uncovered worlds with climates that shifted and changed in ways unlike anything seen before, with storms that raged across skies of strange colors and with landscapes that hinted at geological activity, volcanoes erupting on frozen plains, winds carving canyons into ice or rock, and possibly even tidal forces shaping oceans beneath thick layers of crust. These worlds weren't just static balls of rock or ice. They were dynamic places, evolving and changing, possibly nurturing environments where life could develop and thrive in forms unfamiliar to Earth scientists. NASA's team found chemical clues that defied current understanding. Some alien atmospheres showed unusual combinations of gases that should not exist together without a continuous source replenishing them, which on Earth is often a sign of biological activity. Methane, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and even more exotic molecules appeared in unexpected mixtures. Could these be the signature of life forms that breathe and breathe out in ways unlike anything on Earth? Or were they caused by unknown geological or chemical processes that defied the rules? These questions forced scientists to rethink fundamental ideas about what life might be, how it begins, and where it can survive. One of the most fascinating discoveries was a group of exoplanets orbiting a small, cool star far from our solar system, where the temperature and radiation levels were once thought too harsh for life. Yet, Webb's data suggested the presence of complex organic molecules, building blocks of life floating in thick clouds, along with signs of water vapor and even hints of surface features that could indicate oceans or liquid reservoirs beneath frozen exteriors. If life existed there, it might be very different, adapted to survive in conditions we can barely imagine. A reminder that the universe might be more creative and varied than we dared hope. NASA's scientists also grappled with the challenge of distinguishing real signals from cosmic noise. The universe is filled with energetic particles, radiation bursts, and magnetic fields that can mimic or mask the faint signatures of alien atmospheres. Every signal had to be carefully analyzed, cross-checked, and verified, and even then, uncertainties remained. The breakthrough wasn't just about finding new worlds. It was about developing the scientific tools and techniques to peer through the cosmic fog, to decipher the faint whispers hidden in starlight, and to tell fact from fiction. The James Webb Telescope's instruments, designed to detect the tiniest variations in light across multiple wavelengths, allowed NASA to measure the atmospheres of distant planets with a precision never before possible. This ability to read alien skies brought new hope for discovering life beyond Earth, but also revealed the complexity of the cosmic environment. Some planets showed signs of violent weather systems with swirling clouds of sulfuric acid or ammonia, while others had mysterious dark spots where light seemed to vanish, possible signs of unknown phenomena or surface features that challenged current models. NASA's breakthrough also rekindled philosophical debates and sparked a renewed sense of wonder and humility.